same routine, wake up, scroll, work, sleep, repeat. But what if your hobby, your daily routine, could actually make your heart race and your brain feel alive? Trading will grab you, not just for money, but for the thrill. Each chart is a puzzle, each candle a story, each notification a heartbeat. You start small, one trade, one idea, and suddenly you're noticing patterns everywhere. In your morning coffee, in the news, in every tiny signal you ignored before. Your friends pick up yoga, you pick up adrenaline, focus, and control over chaos. Your brain lights up with every win, and yes, even with every loss. Because every loss is a lesson, every win is proof. You can learn, adapt, and grow faster than the market itself. Tip 1. Start small. 10 to 15 minutes a day. Focus on learning, not winning. Tip 2. Track every trade. Journaling isn't boring. It's your progress map. Tip 3. Gamify it. Set mini goals. Celebrate micro wins. Trading isn't work. It's a high score challenge. Tip 4. Build a ritual. Same time every day. Coffee. Charts music. Make it your moment. In a few years, AI will automate almost everything. But the habits you form now, the skills, the intuition, the obsession, that will keep you ahead of every bot, every market, every trend. After that, forget Netflix binges. Forget scrolling endlessly. Your new obsession, thrilling, emotional, addictive, is alive, and it's called trading. And trust me, once you start, it won't let go.